In the heart of Otago, nature is at the forefront of every landscape. Its power is inescapable, the volumes of the peaks and valleys omnipresent, a constant reminder of scale and dimension. There's an earthen palette to the landscape in summer, verdant greens, browns, and the blues and turquoises of the glacial lakes. Wild flowers abound, and the tussocks and grasses give way to a vibrant tapestry of purple and pink hues. To design for this environment, particularly with landscaping elements, is to create places of longevity and protection. On the edge of Lake Hayes near Arrowtown, the 2022 Home of the Year does just that, with carefully chosen materials. Using concrete, schist, steel and glazing, architect Anna Marie Chin delivered something spectacular, and perfectly in keeping with the beauty of the natural landscape. Upon arrival, the scene is one of some grandeur. Gabled forms are linked by glazed passages, stone walls define boundaries, and an extensive concrete driveway introduces the visitor to an entry sequence of various options. External materials here pay heed to the distinctive greys of the braided rivers and natural stone the area is known for. By keeping the exterior concrete natural, the landscaping becomes an integral part of its surrounds. A Peter Fell natural sealer was selected to protect exterior concrete surfaces while retaining its natural look and feel. This allowed the tones of the concrete to remain at the forefront of the aesthetic, and for the local aggregate material to maintain a beautiful synergy with the surrounding environs. This is a project that is entirely of its place, that highlights the breathtaking landscape surrounding it.